This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace the battery in a Kia Optima key fob. First, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Begin by locating the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly to slide out the emergency key. This key will help you access the battery compartment. It's a simple first step to get started. Now that the emergency key is out, insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into the slot where the key was. Gently twist the screwdriver to carefully pry open the key fob casing. You should hear a slight click as the two halves begin to separate. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the plastic. Once open, you'll see the internal components. With the key fob open, you'll see the old CR2032 battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up. Use your screwdriver to gently pry out the old battery. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. This ensures proper function. Finally, align the two halves of your key fob and press them firmly together until they click securely into place. Slide the emergency key back into its slot until it locks. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Now, test your key fob to confirm it locks and unlocks your vehicle properly. You've successfully replaced your battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.